Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with this 2016 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch lift on it, some 18x9 wheels with a positive 1mm offset, and some 33x1250 R20 RT tires. Now, you do have to do a little bit of trimming. You have to trim your front bumper just a little bit. It's minor plastic trimming. You also have to trim some plastic in the rear of your fender well as well. There is no metal trimming that needs to be done, but there is some minor plastic, including the inner fender piece on the front as well. Inner fender on the front, inner fender on the rear, a little bit of your fender on the rear, and then your front bumper, you just need to take the edge off just a little bit. Besides that, they fit great, and I think the stance is perfect. It's not too absurd that when people see it, it's gonna stick out, but when you park next to any 4Runner, they're gonna say there's something different about that 4Runner. I like that 4Runner for some reason, and it's gonna be because of the fitment of the tires and wheels. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, tires, wheels, lift, rails, roof racks, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're in the market for a brand new 4Runner, but you don't want to buy one, take it to a shop, have them build it, you just want it all done, go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and see if there's any 4Runners for sale that we've already built that fits your criteria. Besides that, my name is Michael, and thanks for watching.